thing down there. Peter, get by you there. Put it in there. Little filter in there, see? That goes in there. It's your filter that gets plugged up, you see. You gotta get that clean, you see.
Yeah. How often do you have to change the filter?
Oh, it depends how long you sail, you know. If it starts to fluctuate, that means they're getting dirty. So you change and put a new one in. What I'm doing here is just rinsing the burner here of excess grit and following it through, rinsing it out. Not too much. And then work the valve back a bit like that. Okay. And then put it back in the vise here. And I get my gloves. Then we proceed to clean the filter with the this piece here, right? That's what we want to clean, right? Oh, looks good. That's clean. Yes?
You guys are going to eat the rest of the bread.
Yeah. There you see. Right? Goes in like that. And in the end here, put that in there like that. Still pretty warm. And goes in there like that, and then you snug her up, like so. Then you clean the end, the tip. With the wire brush. Get all that carbon off. Make sure it's clean. And look through here. Yeah. And then wipe it off with a cloth. Wipe it off with a cloth. And if you look at the aperture up at the light there, you see oh, it's clean, so you can put it back inside and assemble it again. And that one's ready to go. Okay, that burner's ready. Okay, put that off and put it in, same as the other one. Put it in the recess here. There we are. Tighten her up here, and we're home free. Home free. Okay, breakfast time, gentlemen.